So this is a quick walkthrough of your assignment 6 that's due on November 6th before 11:59 p.m. You have three exercises for this assignment. The first one is to construct truth tables for each of these formula. So the first one is P and Q, bracket Q or negation of P. So again, like I told you, you always start with the left-hand side. So when you look at the entire formula, you have P, Q, right? Two propositions. You start with that, P, Q, right? And then you have to do the things in the bracket because you always do the things in the bracket first, right? That is your golden law in mathematics. You do your parentheses first, and then you go on to other kinds of things. So you do Q or negation of P. So to do that, you need to have a column of negation P first, right? So you start with P, Q, the negation of P, and then you put Q or negation of P together, and then you combine the entire thing, P and Q or negation of P. All right. And similarly, I want you to do negation of P and negation of Q, or Q or negation of P with two things in brackets, so you have to pay attention to that. And then for exercise 2, I want you to prove logical equivalence. So I want you to show me that P and Q is the same truth table as negation of P or negation of Q. And then I've given you an easy one where I want you to construct hyponymic trees with tree and vehicle. And I want you to review chapter 7 of your textbook, page 213, for people who have the relevant edition. If you don't have the relevant edition, it might be on a different page. But that should be really fairly straightforward and simple for you to do compared to the truth table.